All right, good Wednesday afternoon. Monday, September 11th, was the climatological peak of hurricane season, and certainly the week leading up to it was very, very active with 3 named storms at once. We still have one that remains, and that is Jose. Although it's been going through obstacle after obstacle trying to maintain itself, it's doing a good job of it. Still a Category 1 storm. It's holding its own, but at one time it was a major Category 4 hurricane. No longer the case. Barely a Category 1 with winds of 75 miles per hour. Doing a very unusual track, kind of a loop-de-loop here due to the atmospheric overall setup. But eventually it does get a move on off towards the north and then off towards the north and east. But at this point, it can really go anywhere within this cone of uncertainty here. And models pretty much have a 1,000-mile spread by the time we get to that point in the forecast period. They really have a tough time handling loop-de-loops like that on the forecast model. So we'll watch it closely for you. No concern in the immediate future. We have a warm and humid afternoon today. Temperatures in the upper 80s to near 90, and we're unseasonably warm really right into the upcoming weekend. And we'll keep a close eye on Jose right through that weekend and much of next week. Live radar is quiet after a few isolated morning showers. We had a warm front lift through the area. You can kind of see that outlined by the cloud cover. Now the majority of us are seeing some fair weather skies, even mostly sunny out there, and that'll remain the case through the remainder of the afternoon. Up to 82 now. Dew point at 70, so certainly much more humid than what we've been used to over the past couple of weeks. Region-wide, we're at 81 in Gloucester, down to Chesapeake, 77 in Ahoskie, 81 Williamsburg, 82 Moyock, and Elizabeth City as well. Here's how it all pans out as we go through Futurecast. Any clouds that are remaining out there will give way to increasing sunshine. Our winds are out of the south, so that'll push our numbers into the upper 80s to around 90. Tonight, we only fall back into the upper 60s and low 70s, a warm and muggy overnight, so not the greatest sleeping weather. And then more clouds arrive for tomorrow, and we'll look for the chance of a few isolated to scattered showers, maybe even a thunderstorm thrown in the mix there as well tomorrow. Still a warm day in the low to middle 80s and another mild night leading into early Friday before skies start to clear out and mix in with a few more clouds later in the afternoon. So a lot of clouds in our forecast, but there will be a fair amount of sunshine thrown in there as well. 89 today, mostly sunny. We're going to stay unseasonably warmer. In fact, about 10 degrees above average for this time of the year. And here's a look at tonight, dropping back to 71, mostly clear, warm and muggy, with those temperatures in the upper 60s and low 70s. There's a look at your 7-day. Fair amount of clouds in there, and we'll keep a shower chance pretty much every day leading up to the weekend. With Jose up off the coast and high pressure to our north, we're going to see our winds coming in out of the northeast this weekend. So a good amount of cloud cover mixed in there as well. But temperatures right on where we should be, around 80.
Okay. So, thanks, Tim.